saying a lot of profanities and like racist things, so I ended up killing the, I think it was the Virginia, the fart lady, and then he was helping me, and I was gonna let him escape, but then the Johnny like killed him. I think that was that him. I'm not sure. I can't remember the names of all the people. So many names. Oh no! Oh shoot! Someone's still. Get him! Get him! Get him! Fuck. Get him! Get him! Get him! Go! 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 Oops. I'm swinging instead of. Alright, no more door slamming for you guys. Door slamming. Door slamming has been banned, bro. You have been banned, bro. Oh my god, I missed. He's bashing me anyways. I mean, I was pretty sure he was gonna bash me anyways, but... Oh, you better run, boy. Gonna run to that crack over there, boy? I didn't see if they had that door open or not. Are you serious? How did that stall, bro? You're kidding me right now. Nah, I got the Connie. Stiff-armed. Leyland's down here still. I think Sunny might be up and the Julie. Yeah, Julie has 500 points. Stiff-armed, boy. Boy. Is this a 4-man? I'm not sure though. Alright, a lot of them are up here, so I'm gonna go up. Don't go down the well, Sonny. Don't do it. It make me very angry. Gonna make me very angry. Julie's coming in through the crack in the side of the house. Boom, baby. So many doors. I don't know what the hitchhiker is doing. If he would have helped collapse on her, she probably would have died. That's okay, man. I don't know where the fuse is too. We need to watch that. Okay, okay. Getting some gamers up here, bro. I don't think they have any of the gates done yet. Fuse is in the middle too. One's on the fuse in the middle, Julie. Boom. Alright, I got the Julie. Stiff arm. Ooh, dude, that execute is so good. One's on the back side of the house, the crack. Better watch yourself, boy. We get exterior alarms, should be good. I don't think we get it just yet, but it'll be close. This Sunny has a lot of points. Did he get a gate open? He might be opening doors in the basement, I guess, but... Eyes on Grandpa. Wait, that missed? Wait, what? How did that miss? Oh? Wait, how did that miss too? What the hell? What the hell? I didn't think he was gonna go there, so... But that's still like... Pretty sure that got him. What the hell? Try to do fuse. Yeah, this would be way easier if my teammates actually use their mics. One's in the back of the house. It's Sunny again. Sunny has a lot of points. Shit. That's... Leyland I don't think is really doing anything. Oh, he's right there. See, this would really help if you guys used your mic. And didn't body block me. Ay, caramba. You drive me crazy. I just wanna sleep. Yeah, these guys are gonna drive me nuts. Yeah, that's why I kind of hate playing Leatherface, because like you're reliant on your teammates to like calm you and like. Oh, did they get him? Oh yeah, he went to the basement and got him. Nice. Let's go on battery. Bro, your body blocking is triggering me, bro. Fuck. Oh, I got him. Nice. He's the end cap. Dude, this hitchhiker body blocking me so much, bro. Holy shit. This hitchhiker's trolling, bro. Come here, shiny boy. Stiff arm, sonny boy. GG. GG, bro. GG. Shiny boy. Come here, shiny boy. Don't run, shiny boy. What? Hello? Hello? Connie. Okay, I think these guys kind of know what they're doing. Maybe? God damn it, Johnny. Bruh. Man, there's a lot of cow tables down here. Jesus, 3 cow tables? In a row? Where's this Johnny at? I was chasing someone out though. Alright, we should probably go up. It is time to unleash the beast. Sunny's in the middle. He's going across the bridge. Should probably not chase him. They're probably doing doors right now. Leyland's on me. He's grabbing a pressure valve. Where are my teammates at? Oh, there's a Sunny over here too. Alright, Connie went down the well. I hope he's chasing someone. Where is pressure valve? Ooh, this is really difficult with no communication. Leyland's on the pressure valve up top. Nice. Damn, this backstab stun is insane. Holy shit, how long is that? Fucking 8 seconds? 10 seconds? God damn. I mean, I'm pretty sure this game is already over, because they just do Genside or something now, right? No, victim is broken, bro. It's too strong. Oh, I'm rubber banding now. No. One's running left battery. Come here, Leyland. You've been a very... Oh! What the? Wait, how'd you get out of my hands? Hello? Been a very naughty boy, bro. Wait, why is this guy highlighted? Is this game bugging or what the hell is happening? Dude, how is he not dead? Hello? How is he not dead? Does everyone have no cell, or what is going on here? Dude. I've done so much damage to them, it's crazy. I haven't even had a chance to feed Grandpa even one time. Okay, so... Okay, yeah. Wait, so did he drop out of my hands because I went over the stairs? Is that what happened? That's kind of stupid if that's the case. This game is glitched. Probably gonna do pressure valve again, I'm guessing. Well, Leyland's not there anymore. So maybe they won't. They're probably gonna do, what's you gonna call it, fuse? I don't even know where the fuse is. What the hell am I getting stuck on? Hello? Bruh. 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 Do I need in the basement? Wow, they got this whole thing open. It's crazy. Alright. Johnny carrying us? Yep. Johnny is carrying us. Nice. Feels good, man. Yay, someone's carrying me. Woohoo. I mean, I actually did a shit ton of damage to them, though, already. I'm surprised I haven't got a kill yet. Must be no cell, I'm guessing. No cell's broken. Broken, I tell you. Oh, it's gonna go through that crack. I'm Leatherface, though. Man, that's really stupid that he got dropped. I wanted to give him the hook, bro. They're probably gonna do fuse is what I'm guessing. They only got 2 people left. They could be doing battery, but I don't know if the traps are down or not. Oh. We're getting some lag. Alright, I got the Anna. Stiff arm. Yeah, you trying to sneak up on Leatherface, boy? You're gonna get thrusted. Thrusted. This county has a lot of points. This is kind of greedy, but... Oh wait, shoot. They already did it. I was going to do it. Thrusted, bro. Thrusted. What the? Hello? Thrusted. Thrusted. Alright, so now that we have exterior alarms... Johnny sniffing at Connie's footsteps, bro? Sniffa. Sniffa. Alright, Connie, what you doing, bro? Oh, the Anna left. Should have got. Alright. Let me get rid of this. She hasn't opened anything new. Checkers, okay. I think that these guys are a duo, I think. This should be enough, right? 29? Should be enough. Oh, they're going gen. Left gen gate. They're coming through right now. Go, go, go. Level 5. She's going, she's going. She's gonna go this well over here, I think. Boom, baby. GG. GG.